Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to enable Activity Dashboard and see history in Google Docs so you can track document activity easily. And now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Chrome is commonly used with Google services, and opening it allows you to access Google Docs smoothly using your Google account. Step 2. Click the grid icon with 9 dots in the top right corner of the browser, and then click Docs from the menu. This menu gives quick access to Google Apps, and selecting Docs takes you directly to the Google Docs homepage. Step 3. Once Google Docs is open, click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. This opens the side menu where you can manage document settings and preferences. Step 4. From the side menu, click Settings to open the configuration options. Settings is where you control how Google Docs behaves and which features are enabled. Step 5. Find the Activity Dashboard option, toggle it on, and then click Done to save your changes. Enabling this feature lets you see who viewed your document and when, which is useful for tracking engagement and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.